Let's look at how to add a sticky navigation to a scrolling prototype in Figma. So here is the vertical scroll I've already created. I have another video for that I will link. If I hit play, then I have a scrolling page, and now I'm going to add a navigation. So I made a quick little navigation over here, and I'm going to drag it into the home frame. One thing you want to make sure of is that it's not in content. So content is the scrolling part. I want it to be in home. There we go. So these are both kind of children of home. And now with that frame still selected, I want to go to prototype, and there is a scroll behavior. So I'm going to change it to fixed, and that's it. Let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to hit play. And now it stays in place. Oops, it's not quite at the bottom there, but you get the gist. So the other option that you have with this is you can do a sticky, which means it will scroll up till it gets to the top and then it will stop. So if I change it to sticky and I preview again, it scrolls up, and then sticks, and then the rest of it scrolls behind it. All right, thanks.